Welcome back, data enthusiasts, to another deep dive. Today we're taking a closer look at DAX and specifically one of its most intriguing functions, keep filters.
Keep filters, huh? You're right, it can be intriguing, I guess. I mean, it can really be a game changer for those tricky data analysis tasks in Power BI.
You hear a lot of buzz about DAX functions and how powerful they are, but sometimes it's hard to see how it all fits together.
So, I guess, how would you explain keep filters in a way that someone who's maybe not a DAX expert could grasp?
Well, think of it this way. Keep filters is all about taking control of your filter context.
Filter context, right. That's like the heart of DAX, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And keep filters lets you manipulate those filters in a really precise way. It's like fine-tuning your analysis to get exactly the insights you need.
So instead of just using a basic filter, like, show me all the sales for this month, I could use keep filters too.
To ask more specific questions like, show me sales for this product category, but only for customers in a certain region and only for a specific time period. Oh, okay. So I'm starting to see how this could be super useful for really drilling down into the data.
Yeah, and that's where keep filter shines. It lets you combine multiple filters, to create a really targeted view of your data.
So it's not just about filtering, it's about combining those filters.
Exactly. And the way it does that is, it's different from how other DAX functions like calculate handle filtering. So calculate kind of just overwrites any existing filters you have.
Right, it just kind of wipes the slate clean and applies a new filter.
Right. But keep filters is more about modifying the existing filter context.
Modifying, so like adding to it.
Yeah, you got it. Imagine you're looking at a data set through a series of colored lenses.
Okay, I'm visualizing it.
With keep filters, each filter you add is like adding another colored lens. You're not replacing the view, you're just, you're changing the way you see the data by adding more filters to the mix.
So with Calculate, you're swapping lenses. But with keep filters, you're stacking them one on top of the other.
Exactly, you got it. And that's how you get that really granular level of detail.
That's fascinating. It's almost like keep filters lets you create these hyper-specific filters, customized for exactly what you need.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. And the best part is it works seamlessly with both Calculate and a calculated level.
So if I'm already comfortable using those functions, keep filters just gives me another tool in my DAX toolbox, right?
Absolutely. It's all about expanding your capabilities. But I do want to mention one thing. There's one limitation to keep in mind.
Oh, there's always a catch, isn't there?
Well, it's not really a catch, but if you're working with direct query, you can't use keep filters in calculated columns or for row-level security.
Direct query, that's for connecting to large data sets in the cloud, right?
Yeah, exactly. So if you're using direct query, you just got to be aware of that constraint.
Good to know. But I guess for most situations, keep filters is a pretty powerful tool to have in our DAX arsenal.
Definitely. It opens up a whole world of possibilities for analyzing data in new and, more insightful ways.
It's like suddenly I can ask these incredibly specific questions about my data that I couldn't before.
Exactly. And that's where the real magic happens, right? It's not just about knowing the tools, it's about knowing how to use them to unlock those hidden patterns and insights.
So listeners, here's a challenge for you. How could you use keep filters to dig deeper into your own data sets? What kind of laser-focused questions could you ask? And most importantly, what kind of incredible insights could you discover? The possibilities really are endless.
Keep exploring, folks. That's the beauty of DAX, right? There's always something new to learn.
Absolutely. And that's what makes data analysis so exciting. So thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of keep filters.
It's been a pleasure. Catch you on the next one.
Until then, happy analyzing.